notes were a little bit,
That's not gonna stay.
a little bit, you guys see that? Okay, so, first thing I want to point out is we're starting at 205 was our HS, down to 0. What I want you guys to see first is ignore all these numbers and everything. What I want you to first see is at the bottom here, these are our resistance. Okay, this is what's key. Fist, forefinger, one finger, and I go plus minus, pencil, and knife. So over on this side we have very strong resistance, like very hard, right? So let's start at the top layer. Top layer went down to approximately 100 and what? 45, 46 centimeters, and that was an ice layer. Okay, very shallow one. Then right below it, our resistance, the very subtle resistance, went all the way down to less than pencil, one finger plus. It is very, very subtle. Then look immediately after it. Resistance went all the way over to knife. It was ice.
Yes.
Ice, hollow, ice. Can't quite explain that, but that's just how it was. Underneath that ice, look at our resistance. Pencil, very firm, high density snow, wind driven probably, all the way down to 50 centimeters.
What's the dotted line? At 125?
Yeah, that's my test line, okay? I'll get to that in a second. Very small layer, again, of ice. Knife hardness, okay? Now, look right below that ice. What happens?
Soft.
Next layer down to 25 is one finger plus, so still fairly firm, right? Okay? Down. Then look, all the way down. This is where I was digging. 5 centimeters, and then right below that, 4 finger plus towards fist. All this is sitting on top of, yeah. We haven't heard anything about that, have we?
No.
Nope.
No, they were talking about it in that report. You know, they were saying, remember the shallow snowpack and persistent weak layers. And
I talked to a guy who's pretty reliable at the Summit House just when we were doing the beacon thing, and he said that were not seeing that up at Red Meadows, which is north and east of here. They were not seeing it necessarily. It was very prevalent back kind of here and over to the North Fork, which is close to us, but they weren't seeing that in some certain areas. It wasn't even there.
Okay, so in a second, we're going to come full
Which
circle
was
to
interesting.
everything we did this afternoon relating to this. And hopefully this is going to tie together.
A big thing about this is that this whole area sees little microclimates
Oh,
all
absolutely.
around here.
I wouldn't
That's why
doubt
doing
that
this
at
for
all.
the big, huge region is.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt that at all. Now,